Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I am talking about my goals and my vision board. So we're going to start off by going through my vision board from last year. And I'm also going to go ahead and start by telling you guys my goals for 2019. So make sure you hit the bell next to my name. Subscribe if you have not to make sure that you get notified every time I upload a video so that you don't miss out. Okay, so for 2018, my vision board said that I wanted to make a plan of action, which I did have a very good plan of action. I also wanted to write a book. I have started writing a book. I'm almost finished with this book. I'm so excited about it. It is about my daughters, me and my daughters, and our life. So the book is going to be coming out pretty soon. Of course, I will let you guys know as soon as I'm ready to publish it, which is super cool. So I also have a makeup line on my vision board. That one I didn't quite hit yet. I have my proposal for the makeup line that I want to have. I know the name of the company that I want to start. I know the names of the eyeshadow palette and the lip colors that I want to use. I just know it all. I just have it on paper. I haven't started working on how to start the actual, so again, a plan of action. I did want to go ahead and start making a plan of action. I had a milestone. I did turn 30 last year. Super excited about that. I want to pay down debt. I had paid down a couple of my debt. I paid down some of my student loans last year. I also paid down my credit cards, or at least one of the credit cards I have. I only have one, but I paid down that as well. And then I had, I wanted to work out, which I was working out a lot. I used to go to the gym like faithfully like 5 times a week, which is like crazy, but I did. I wanted to travel. I haven't really traveled much last year. And then, of course, beauty. I wanted to do more beauty, learn about how to create different things. And I wanted to start a designing company or designing business. I am a designer. I like to design things. I love to do graphic designing. I just love to do it. Last year was really rough. Besides losing my kids the year before, last year was really tough. But I made it through. I lost my grandmother. I lost a really close mentor to me. She was my daughter's cheerleading coach. I lost her. And it's just a couple of things that's like a lot of friends that have passed away unexpectedly. Last year was just a lot. It's too much. I did end up working full time. I ended up being a coach. I ended up like a head coach for a cheerleading team. And I was just very busy. I make sure I stayed busy so I don't have to soak in my own little problems. But yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you about my 2019 goals for this year. First one's finances. I do want to become debt free this year, at least with student loans, at least halfway paid off, or at least student loan forgiven. We'll see if that works. As far as my makeup company, I want to set it in stone, get with a consulting person or someone who can help me start a makeup line and see if that can take off this year. I also want to work on my designing my designing business, which I'm calling it the Destined Designs by Desi. So for one, I want to make more items. 2, I want to go ahead and make sure I keep promoting my items so that people know that I do make these items. I want to have parties so that people can see everything that I make and then can decide, or let other people know to share about that I make these products. So I want to make at least $500 a month with this business by itself. And then for YouTube, I'm going to upload at least 4 to 5 times a week. I want to get at least 2,000 subs this year. If I go over, I'm going to be so excited. But yeah, I'm at almost 600 now. So I want to at least get to 2,000 subs. And then I want to meet the monetization threshold. And I want to go to VidCon this year as well. My health, I want to get a health card. Because ever since my kids passed away, I haven't had a health card. And I still have really bad asthma. I wheeze a lot. And I'm down to the very last of my inhaler that I have. I need to get a new EpiPen because I'm allergic to shellfish. I can't smell it or eat it. And again, my allergy. I want to take another allergy test to see if anything has subsided or not. So I want to do that this year. My book. I want to come out with the exact title. I know I have like 3 different versions of titles that I want to come out with, but I want to come out with the exact version. I want to design my actual title and the cover page and the entire book. I want to publish the book, distribute it, and I also want to do a book tour for this book this year. My personal and leisure, I want to find somewhere to live. I need an apartment to stay in. And then I want to get a better car. And yes, that is what I'm going to be doing this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, please thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know your 2019 goals. It's 19 now. Wow. Your 2019 goals and aspirations. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.